Today's going to be a short video. We're going to take the Jeep for a little ride and kind of do just a real life paved road spring test. So we installed those Cj2a USA made leaf springs. Everyone said they're going to ride really rough. Let's take it for a ride and see if that's the case. I just did a usual loop I do when I would run errands or drive around town. A couple miles back and forth on some back roads. Had it up to about 55. Nothing too crazy. First impression, they ride pretty good. Minimal body roll, but still soaked up the bumps really nice. Now I'm going to test the flex of these springs. They're a lot thicker pack than what I had on here before, but I'm interested to see how well they articulate. I don't have the chance to take it on any trails today, so we're just going to do the old backyard firewood pile test. So let's see how it does. Okay, I'm just going to start crawling up here in low gear and see what it does. This side is completely on the stop and it's flexed. As far as it'll go, it's hitting the roll cage support in there, so that's a good sign. This side's opened up pretty good. I don't have a ton of travel, so that's probably limited by the shocks. This side has a little bit of daylight between the stop and the axle. Well, there you have it. It's not very scientific, but it's a start. I will continue to update you once we take this on the trail, do a couple road trips. But as far as driving around here, if little Jeep ferries had come in my shop and changed my springs overnight, I would not have noticed a difference in ride. And when I say difference, I mean I was running 4 leafs with my old packs, and these are 10 and 8, and I didn't notice a difference in the harshness of the ride. That one spot right here, I hit, that's kind of my bump test around our place. If you get up going about 45 or 50 and you hit that bump in a Jeep, you know it, and it soaked it up and handled it just fine. So I'll have to take it out on some like rougher dirt roads and see how it rides. I mean, this is an 80-year-old Jeep, so it's not going to ride good, but I definitely wasn't shocked with the ride quality. And then the flex, it's just a wood pile test, but it seemed to flex okay. Probably not as good as my real light packs that I've kind of fine-tuned for the trails. But as far as just a regular all-purpose spring, I'm really happy with it. So I'll continue to update you as I put more miles on it. And please let me know if you have any questions. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you later.